Another premium project successfully completed. Lush Loom has proudly completed a motorized blackout and sheer curtains installation at Creek Harbour 3, Dubai, transforming this beautiful home with the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and smart living. Our client wanted elegant window treatments that offered complete privacy during the day and a soft, welcoming atmosphere whenever needed. The solution was a customized dual-layer motorized curtain system featuring premium blackout curtains paired with sheer curtains. The result is a seamless blend of functionality, sophistication, and modern design. Every curtain was measured, customized, and professionally installed to ensure a flawless finish. The motorized system allows the curtains to open and close effortlessly with the touch of a button, giving homeowners maximum convenience and a premium smart home experience. The blackout curtains effectively block unwanted sunlight and enhance privacy, making them perfect for restful sleep and improved energy efficiency. Meanwhile, the sheer curtains gently filter natural daylight, filling the living space with soft illumination while maintaining an elegant and airy feel. From precise measurements and secure track installation to motor calibration and final quality checks, our experienced installation team paid close attention to every detail. Every component was carefully aligned to ensure smooth, quiet operation and a luxurious appearance that perfectly complements the interior. At Lush Loom, we don't just install curtains, we create beautiful living spaces with premium craftsmanship, smart technology, and attention to detail. If you're planning to upgrade your villa, apartment, or office anywhere in Dubai, our team is ready to deliver a customized solution tailored to your style and needs. Contact Lush Loom today and let us transform your windows with premium motorized curtains designed for modern living.